If your iPhone 17 Pro Max videos still look average, you're probably using the wrong camera settings. Change these settings in the next minute, and your videos will instantly look more professional. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you the best iPhone 17 Pro Max video settings for sharper quality, smoother motion, and cinematic results. Let's see. Best camera settings on iPhone 17 Pro Max for amazing videos. First, open your iPhone settings. Tap on Camera. Here, first tap on Record Video and select 4K at 30 FPS. This gives you excellent quality while keeping file sizes reasonable. If you're recording fast action, switch to 4K at 60 FPS. Then scroll down and turn on Enhanced Stabilization. Also turn on HDR video for better color. And back to camera settings. Then tap on Record Slow-Mo, then select 4K at 120 FPS, but I personally recommended 1080p HD at 240 FPS. Then go back to camera settings. Then tap on Record Cinematic. Here select 4K at 24 FPS or 4K at 30 FPS. I personally recommended 4K at 24 FPS. And go back to camera settings. Tap on Record Sound. Then select Stereo Sound. Then go back to camera settings and scroll down. Turn on composition settings, grid line, dot level. Then tap on Fusion Camera. Then turn on additional lenses and select default lens to 28mm 1.2x. For better colors, avoid using digital zoom. Instead, switch between the built-in 0.5x, 1x, 2x, or 5x lenses for the sharpest image. Finally, always clean your camera lens before recording. It only takes a few seconds, but makes a huge difference in video quality. These are my recommended camera settings for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Try them today and you'll notice a big improvement in your videos. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.